And we have new details just in this afternoon about a weapon that was found at North Central High School this week. 13 News can now confirm that weapon was a Glock semi-automatic pistol. It had more than 30 rounds of ammunition. The staff at North Central now telling us they found the student with that gun, and it happened before the start of the school day Thursday. They immediately reported it to the Washington Township Police. Right now, the police not commenting on the investigation. 13 News, however, did receive an email that was sent to impacted families yesterday. It says in part, quote, "We continue our ongoing safety protocols that include random screenings and searches, daily campus security checks, and emergency drills. The safety of our students remains our top priority, and the courage of students and staff to do what is right is essential in maintaining that priority." Washington Township Schools now reminding students that they can report potentially unsafe situations to any staff member. They can also go through an anonymous tip line. And if you'd like to read more about that full statement from the school, we have placed it for you in its entirety right now on our website, which as always is WTHR.com.